It's finally here. The Injen intake. I am very excited. We're doing an install. It's gonna be fun. I think it's gonna be great. Peter, Logan, we're doing it together.
It's gonna be great.
And it's gonna be absolutely fantastic. Let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Oh, this is gonna be absolutely fantastic unless I stab myself. Oh God. Can I open a box is a real question.
Struggle on there, Grady?
I'm growing Braille style. It's like a boy on Christmas morning. Yes. Let's start putting this stuff together. Ooh. Metal, much larger diameter than the pipe comes from stock. Let's see what happens. Here's the short ram attachment. In all honesty, I swear I thought I ordered a polished one, but I think I wanted the black. I just was too excited when I got it in my physics class that I thought I ordered it polished, but there you go. Injen tuned intake.